Welcome back, Queens and Kings, and thank you all so much for watching as well as returning. In today's video, I will be doing some decorate with me as coffee table styling, where I would style my coffee table as it is a different day of the week. So I will be doing 7 different styles on my coffee table, depending on like how the type of mood that I probably been in that day or what the day may have bring. So if you all would like to see these different styles, please continue to watch and like, comment, and subscribe. Hey Queens and Kings, happy Friday, surprise. So I decided to give you guys a coffee table styling idea video because I noticed I have not done one here on this channel here at all, but I have done this one here on my main channel a while back. But I felt like these were some fun ideas and very creative. It's something that you can actually do in your everyday home to just spruce up your coffee table. So I decided to share them here with you guys. I hope you guys enjoy, and I hope you guys having a lovely Friday. Okay, Queens and Kings, so for today is Monday and we're feeling a little fancy, more so of the gold. The gold brought in a little fancy feel vibe for me, and the details that I have for the mirror tray here that I'm wearing, which is a picture frame that is a mirror, and I'm using it as a tray. I brought in my little Chanel baller decor that I got from Z Gallery, then my little gorgeous little bookends that I did, also using Z Gallery pep and salt shaker, just to bring in that gold. And for some reason Chanel speak a little fancy for me. And then I have did my DIY gold chargers here. I decided to go with the gold or more of this theme here and just speak the little fanciness for me, because that's just how I feel on a Monday. Not too much going on, but just enough. All right, Queens and Kings, so you guys know today is Tuesday, but it is a girl best friend. And why I call this table more of a girl best friend is because of all the diamonds of a girl best friend. We love them everywhere. We have them all over our home. You may not feel like you do, but you do have them. Quite sure you got diamonds or sparkle items everywhere throughout your home. So I wanted to do something over the top, but not too much over the top. I didn't want it to take away from the look that I have going on. So therefore, that's why I just did nothing but diamonds, but clear coated diamonds. So now we're moving on to Wednesday, and it is lemons and diamonds. Oh, how I love them both. So this here, I want to bring in more of the summer, because it is summer at this moment. But today is Wednesday, but it's like a little wind down Wednesday type thing. And basically that's what I have, the little teacups here, as well as the wine glasses also. But I want to bring in that lemon and summer vibe with this coffee table styling here. And like I say, when life give you lemon, make lemonade. So you can put you some little lemonade in there, girl. Not a little shade, but a whole lot of shade or whatever. So you see I styled the backs of the backgrounds as well in each setting, just to bring it to life. All right, so today is Thursday and we glamorous living today, honey. We had to put a little pep in our step from Wednesday, just bring it up a little bit notch, even though Wednesday was a little wind down, but Thursday we have to get our life, honey, and now we're just going back to our bases, which is glamorous. Here I just styled two glasses of wine glasses, I mean to say, floor arrangement, something not too big and over the top. That's why I kept the little floor arrangement low into the table, just to bring in more of that glam, but you don't have to go overboard with it. And then I'm using my 3 candle holders that I did DIY as well, and I put my little teal candles in there and just a stack of books. And here you got more of the silver going on, but with that pop of color, which is the cerulean. And that is my lifestyle at this moment. Glamorous living. This one definitely speaks part of me. Just a part. Each one of them is just a part of my personality. Each one. What you guys thinking so far? Let's get ready to move on. Okay, Queens and King, it is Friday and we are living our best life. Yes, honey, get your life. That's what I am talking about. Live, be over the board, be all over the top. And as you can see, it is a Chanel runway going on right now. And definitely I had to go back to the Chanel, but I went with more of the black and white and gold thing that I have going here. And I wanted to be over the top. I wanted it to be personal. You see, I have a bottle of perfumes here. I have a lot of jewels and bracelets. Then I have my cup or whatever. Then we got a press for Chanel DIY sign. Then we have our candlelight holder here, our candelabra. Like I wanted this table scape here, coffee table scape, to be over the top fabulous, honey. Just living, just letting you know I am living my best life, and I'm going to continue doing it each day of the week. And down here you see I have my personal pair of pumps that I got going on, my stacks of books as well. Like, honey, I am living right now. I am living, and I just love this personality part that came in, where I'm using my pumps as my bracelet, as my perfume and stuff like that. So you don't have, your coffee table don't have to be as boring. You can just let it be. And that's why I decided to do these different 7 days of the week styling coffee table, what your move would be, what your vibe is for that day or that week or whatever. And you guys see my little pillow back there, match my little pumps just a little bit, just with the bow and everything. So everything is coming to life, and I'm just living my best life with this coffee table here. And I mean, I live, honey, live. All right, Queens and Kings. So today is Saturday, and she got the blues. More so because living her best life Friday, the day before, really just took her over the top, and she was living. She really was living. But this day here, she decided to go with blues, a little more calming, a little more relaxing. But it still speak her style, speak her life, speak what she is feeling at this moment. So now she done went back to her family organ type styling to coffee table that she have going on here. She have a little more personal going on with her family, her little proposal look that she got going on, little fruit books, and then she got her some tea, honey, where she drinking diamonds, more issues than Vogue. Yes, honey, and that's what's going on. So that's why she have the blues. And you see she got a cup full of diamonds though. She's still a little fancy going on. But then she has some more personality going on here with a necklace. Then she got a tray, and then beneath she just have stacks of books. Something simple, something relaxing, something that she don't have to be too much over the top, but with the decor it does speaks for her. But she's a little bit of downing right now though, but she have the blues. And as you guys can see, I also did the background as well, just to bring this styling to life, and that's what I like about it. Okay, queens and kings, for the last day of the week, which is Sunday, can you guys just take a moment and guess what you think I'm going to name this coffee table? Now, I'm just going to remove a lot of stuff and I'm going to change a lot of stuff. So I'm going to show you guys basically what I would do behind the scene of the decorating and the styling portion of this video. Here, I'm just going to remove all of the decor because it's best to just take everything away and go from scratch and start to style over again. And as you guys can see in the background, I removed all that blue and everything, but I have a little softer look going on by throwing a little white little throw, but I still have my little glam as well. You guys know I can't do nothing without some glam. But she got to get her life together. She got to do the best thing. And this the day that she really supposed to just relax and everything. Can you guys tell a little bit more about what I'm going to name this coffee table? Okay, so this coffee table styling is goddess. I had to go with something a little more calm and a little more relaxing because it's Sunday. You have to give the Lord his time. You don't supposed to do nothing but church and relax. You don't do no type of working or anything. And so that's basically what I was going with, this soft look. I know you guys thought I was going to say Sunday best or holy girl or something like that, but she's a goddess. So here we have our coffee table. We have our Bible, as well as some flower arrangement, little diamond on there. Still got that little sparkle going on, and our soft runner that goes along with the throw that's on the couch. And we have 5 taper candles that's sitting on the coffee table. Something simple, something relaxing, something is calming, and white is just that, and it's so heavenly. So therefore, that's why I went with a softer look, a calmer background as well, just to give you guys the vibe of the goddess. Goddess.